Epidermal growth factor, or EGF, is a reparative ingredient that signals cells to boost collagen and elastin production. We formulated a vegan synthetic EGF for a clean take on this breakthrough technology. Clinical testing showed a significant reduction in fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and redness, as well as a significant improvement in skin tone, texture, firmness, and radiance.
Add a dual dose of EGF to your skincare ritual with Bio-Renew EGF Repair Duo, featuring our award-winning Bio-Renew EGF Cream and Bio-Renew EGF Drops, perfectly sized for travel. It's everything you need to smooth, restore, and brighten skin. Apply 4 to 6 drops of Bio-Renew EGF Drops to freshly cleansed skin. Then layer on Bio-Renew EGF Cream to firm and rejuvenate skin. Use up to twice daily for visible results. Whether supporting your post-procedure skin recovery or as a daily skin strengthening anti-aging treatment, this duo will become a game changer for your skin.